You may remember this guy from a couple months ago. His name is Josh, and he owns the YouTube channel Twilight Real Estate Photography. He was out taking pictures for a client at a lot when there was a phone call that came into the Morgan County Sheriff's Office. Morgan County Sheriff decided, hey, you need to give us your ID, even though they had the facts that Josh was indeed a real estate photographer, and he was there minding his own business, doing his own business, and they arrested him for failure to ID anyway. Well, today was Josh's court date, and I don't have the results of what actually happened, but I want to remind you of actually what happened that day when he was arrested by the Morgan County Sheriff's Department, just in case you're new to this channel, or because it's been such a long time, you might have forgotten.
Hey, do you want, it's 97, correct? That you work for? 97?
This is Deputy Boots. He does not like wearing a body cam or turning on his dash cam when interacting with the public.
So I think it's 97, the end unit down there.
I think that's being illegally detained.
Will you go get the real estate
taking
agent's
photos in public.
information real fast?
Yeah. Yep.
Being illegally detained.
I just quickly want to describe what actually took place between me and the complainant. While I was shooting the common grass area in the back, I saw her step out onto her back patio. I quickly said, "Hi, do you mind if I take a photo real fast?" She ignored me, got a dirty look on her face, and started walking towards me faster. Halfway across the grass, she yells at me, "What are you taking photos for?" I replied to her, "It's for my job, it's for real estate." She continues walking towards me and gets to where I am, and then says, "Well, who are you taking photos for?" I pointed in the direction of the unit that I was photographing, and I told her it's for those owners. I took my picture and walked away. She followed me, stopped me again, and said, "Well, what's their names then?" I replied to her, "Ma'am, I don't give away people's personal information." Trying to maintain professionalism.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Sorry to bug you. We're investigating this minor incident down the street here. There's somebody out taking photos.
Yeah, I talked to the other officer. But
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
He has my ID right now, so I was coming out.
Oh, perfect. Do you have the... Are you working through a realtor right now?
Yeah, you want the number?
Yeah, if you have the name and number, that would be great. We just want to make sure he's legitimate.
Yes.
Just wanted to make sure he was legitimate. The homeowner says he is. Investigation over. No reason to get Josh's ID, but they press it forward anyway, and they do what they do best. They escalated a situation that wasn't even a situation at all.
Got to if you want.
Yeah, that'd be great.
80.
But, okay.
We left the house.
Illegally detained by partner over there.
All right. I don't know. I'm just jumping in the middle of this, so I don't know what all's going
If there
on.
was a
but
crime here to investigate, I would accept an investigative detention.
Sure.
But there is nothing to investigate. It's pretty
Okay.
plain and clear. It's photos. And
Well, I'm going to go touch base with him, and then we'll go from there, okay?
do it quickly because I'm wanting this detention to be over. It's not right. He's also trying to force me to ID and everything else. I want to keep my rights intact.
Understand.
I mean, you guys swore to defend
All right,
citizens'
man.
rights.
I don't need you to educate me. I'm here to help out,
I'm just
okay?
asking who's like.
Okay, just let us do our job.
One here that's going to illegally detain
Let
me?
us do our job.
Contempt of cop has just now been committed, and this is the reason, the real reason, they arrest Josh. Now they're going to conspire against him.
We'll get you on your way. Just relax. Don't escalate this. Keep it simple.
You're not something to relax about.
14, where you at?
Who's over here wasting my time?
Keep in mind, the homeowner is on the scene to validate that Josh is there legitimately doing real business for a real estate company.
So here's all the realtor info. That's the name of the realty company. My phone number.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my phone.
Okay, cool.
Get my notepad.
Oh, thanks.
Somewhere.
I might.
No, you're good.
I'm sure I do if I didn't give it back. For some reason, I thought I'd give it back to you. Maybe I didn't.
I have your ID down here in my car. Oh, sweet. If you want to come grab it.
I'd love to grab that.
Step on this
Stand up here.
car until I can figure out who you are.
I'm not going to ID.
Okay, stand up here. You're required to follow our instructions.
I'm not. Why am I
Sir?
detained?
Don't just stand up here. It's for our safety and for your safety.
I'll stand over here.
Okay. Bring your hands behind your back for me.
What did I do?
Bring your hands behind your back. What did I do? Let's get out here.
What did I do?
So the deputy, with a head full of knowledge of what actually is going on and that Josh is there legitimately per the homeowner, who would be the person to actually levy a charge against Josh, he should be completely absolved and free to go. There is no reason to put their hands on him or continue the detention.
You're not following our orders.
Why do I have to follow your orders? Hey, can somebody film this?
Hey,
Here. I'm not going to resist. I'm not going to resist. But why? Why? Do I have a lesson to learn or something?
there are no lessons to learn at our
We
age,
gave you lawful
sir.
order and you're refusing to comply.
I told you I didn't want you
Why
sitting
am I-
on my car right out there when I'm sitting there trying to do a few things to figure out who you are.
What have I done? What law have I broken?
Possibly voyeurism. That's what we're trying to figure out.
What?
There are no lessons to learn at our
We
age,
gave you lawful
sir.
order and you're refusing to.
I told you I didn't want you
Why
sitting
am I-
on my car right out there when I'm sitting there trying to do a few things to figure out
What
who
have
you
I?
are.
What have I done? What law have I broken?
Possibly voyeurism. That's what we're trying to figure out.
What?
Yeah. What?
Real estate photography is what I'm doing.
Cool. Well, we got to figure that all out.
And it's what I've done for like 12 years.
Guess what? We get called to something. It's our job to investigate. That's it.
What crime?
Your
What are
rights
you
should not be
investigating?
detained.
Are your cameras, body cameras?
What did my sergeant just say?
What crime? Voyeurism?
Yes.
I think you heard us the first time.
And what did I voyeur?
Somebody's home.
This is something that's done all the time. You shoot the outside of the unit to put it up for sale.
When somebody calls us and says,
You had it explained by the owner that they're doing it for real estate.
huh?
The owner that I'm doing it for, they've explained to you it's for real estate.
Well, the owner never invited you here.
Yeah, they did.
That owner,
97. So I'm shooting for.
why are they saying that?
Because somebody else is confused about why I'm taking photos. It's just a confusion on their end. That shouldn't be a reason that I'm in cuffs.
The reason you're in cuffs is not for following our orders for safety purposes. You made that choice.
I was just
That's why you're in
standing
cuffs
out
right
the
now. We told you to stand in front of this car where we could see you. Period.
Why do I have to?
Hey,
why
don't
should
be
I
a dumbass. Just
detained
follow the police
if I
fucking
haven't
orders.
broken the
It's
law?
simple.
This is
Follow
Nazi
orders.
Germany. I don't have to
Oh
follow
my God.
orders. if
You
I
have no
haven't
idea what
broken
you're
the
talking
law.
about.
If I haven't broken the law,
We're
you guys don't have to
investigating.
order me
Hey,
around.
it's simple.
I haven't broken the
We
law.
have a job to do.
But I
We get
haven't broken
dispatched.
the law.
Just shut your mouth and I'll explain to you.
But there's no reason to detain me if I haven't broken the law.
We get dispatched to
You
something.
have no reasonable or
Okay.
articulable suspicion
There's no getting through to you.
to put me in cuffs.
Just keep
I am
it.
going to make this into a lawsuit. I absolutely have to. I haven't done anything.
Okay, that's your right. Do it. Do it.
I
Enjoy the lawsuit that'll go nowhere.
So your name and badge number, Mr. Green.
Yep.
What's your badge number? Is it part of the policy to give
You know what?
the public your? Like, why are we
Well,
not
we don't
going
care.
by?
Do yourself a
Why
favor
you
and
guys are
exercise your
not
Fifth
playing by the
Amendment
rules?
rights,
Let me
okay?
explain something to you, okay? You're in a tiny ass county. We don't have badge numbers.
I'm just
I have a call sign.
an employee ID number, anything.
Okay, well, my number is 62.
Okay.
My employee ID number. We don't have badge numbers.
I would like to know what foot law and foot.
That's what we're investigating. It's a law. That's what we're
Public photography is protected under the First Amendment, even.
And that's great. If everything checks out, then you'll be on your way. I don't know what happened to
Why
what
am
you,
I being
what,
detained?
what you did to get
He
yourself
said
in
stand.
Are you with a
I don't
photography
know.
company or what?
And I'm not.
Everything has already checked out. That's the problem. These officers are not listening. They don't care to listen. They just want to exercise control.
I haven't broken the law.
Do you work for a company, yes or no?
I'm not answering questions. I'm in cuffs.
I'm trying to help you out here so we can get you on your way. So
You're telling me I'm working for gets me out of cuffs?
okay.
This is ridiculous.
I don't think it's ridiculous.
The way you're behaving is ridiculous.
What's the investigation part?
Because somebody told us here,
Okay.
because somebody's photographing their home that they, in the back of their home, that they didn't invite to their home.
And anybody can take pictures of anything that they can see in public.
I mean, you can't trespass on their property, though, either.
That is a common area that I was invited into. It's not trespassing. I haven't been trespassing. There's no reason why I wouldn't be able to do that. It's public at that point.
So let us do our job.
I'm not
sir.
restricted by anything.
Let us do our job and investigate so we can find out. If you're not up to anything shady, you'll be on your way. You got nothing to worry
I
about,
think
right?
we just investigated it. You had it explained to you clearly. This is all public. You're arresting me for being in public. Yeah. You can look at anything your eyes can see in public. That's not voyeurism.
When somebody calls us and tells us,
If I was in
Camera
their
pointing
window,
through somebody's window.
that's a whole different
That's
thing.
very likely
You wanna see the
voyeurism.
pictures? You want to see the pictures?
I'll let our investigating deputy look at the pictures if that's what he wants to do. I'm just here to assist him.
Then the investigation's over, isn't it? Because you're not voyeuring into somebody's
God.
window.
You don't want to quit, do you?
But I'm going to stand up for my rights. I'm in cuffs for no reason.
You're in cuffs for not following orders.
I don't have to
You did
follow
that to
orders
yourself.
when I'm being illegally detained.
You're not being legally detained.
You guys, I just want to make sure that happens. You guys know. Is that correct? Like I said, I just want you to know that you're probably going to get a phone call from him or your client or something like that, and that is just what's going on. And so, when we're out here just trying to figure out who this gentleman is because of the fact that he was calling us and he wants to play the roadside voyeur with us until we figure it out what's going on at this point, we don't know what he's doing, right? No, you're good. Like it says, hey, do you have any other further information on him that I okay?
I don't have to follow orders when I'm being illegally detained.
you never were illegally detained.
Yeah, there's no investigation here.
There is
There's
an
no law
investigation.
broken.
Well,
You have to
we
have a
weren't.
crime to investigate.
No, we have to have reasonable, articulable facts.
Of a crime.
Yeah,
Of crime.
Yeah.
And there is no crime.
there is a crime of what we got called to.
No, there isn't. You're just describing something that is like peeping in a Tom on then peeping in a window on somebody. That is not the call you got.
I don't
That is
know
not
what
the
you're
call
doing
you
here.
got. You're trying to make this into a voyeurism, but it's not, and you know it's not.
I never said I'm investigating if it is or is not.
Then what are we doing? We're
He's
just standing
doing
here?
his job.
The
Yeah.
investigator already has done his job. He has already talked to them, and it's already been clarified.
Okay. Well, when he's done, and
She could clarify before he did. She hired me to take real estate photos. They've got me over here in cuffs. I don't know, but I'm over here in cuffs. He might be over there in cuffs. Who knows?
Like it says, do you have any other further information on him that I okay. Okay. All right, but like I said,
And now he's trying to screw me over with my client. That's another thing that I'm going to be putting into the lawsuit. He's over there
Perfect.
talking bad and everything. I've known them for years. They're going to let me know everything that's said.
perfect. Then sue us.
I will.
Cool.
For your custody going in first thing tomorrow.
Perfect.
Where's your guys' apartment? Where's your located?
48 West Jump
You got a
Street.
card?
Well, you're staring me down. Contact with me all creepily like.
You're intimidated?
You're staring me down. You're the one that's sitting here.
I'm not trying
Make
to
eye
take you
contact
down.
with me all creepily like.
What are you talking about? I'm creepily like. Can you describe it better?
Well, you're staring me down.
I'm not staring you down. You're staring me down. I looked over and you were just mad dogging me. Because you have a point proof. Just like you tried to hurt my arm when you put these cuffs on me. You did it on purpose, and there was no reason for it. You were using more force than necessary.
Stop pretending to be a victim here.
I'm not. I'm just saying the facts. You don't like the facts, I understand.
Your facts are bullshit. They're not facts.
No, they are facts. You were trying to be a little more aggressive than you needed to be for no reason. There was no resistance, no nothing.
There was no reason for you to not follow our orders, was there? Other than being an asshole.
Other than I'm a free man in America that I don't have to listen to what another man tells me to do unless I've broken the law.
You clearly don't
That's
know
the
what you're
truth.
talking about.
I clearly do. No, I absolutely know it for a fact I do. The Constitution, the oath you take, is to uphold and protect the rights of the citizens, not to abuse the rights of the citizens.
No rights are being abused.
Yeah, they are. I'm being illegally detained. No crime has been committed, and you know that. If you knew your job and the laws, you would know that public photography is not illegal, and voyeurism is peeking through somebody's window, which you know I wasn't doing.
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
You do know that.
I don't know that.
You do know that. They all know that. He's just taking the extra time to talk bad to my client to make me look bad.
They do all know that. So they leave Josh cuffed and in the back of a patrol cruiser for an extended period of time while they try to conspire against him. And then they let him out of the patrol truck, take the cuffs off of him, and that's where the action begins right here.
Yeah, I'm recording.
All right. Hang up the phone there for a minute. You're not in seat, right? Okay, all right. Come up here to the front of the truck. Okay, you got one? Sir. Oh, man, please. I'm going to need you to flip your hands up this way. Okay. Hold up. Right here, right index finger.
You have to?
You have to.
By law?
By law. Either you do this or we're going to jail. I'm trying to give you a break here. Okay, index finger. Sign right here. What you're being charged with is interfering with the peace officer.
By law?
By law. It says either you sign it or you go to jail. This is in lieu of you going to jail.
You have a problem with asking questions?
No, I don't have a problem with you asking questions. Okay, so here's your copy, all right? You're going to go to the Morgan Justice Court, 48 Young Street. Got any questions? Phone number's right there for you, okay? Okay. See you there.
Today is the court date, and I will leave a link in the description for Josh's GoFundMe page. And if I hear about an update about what happened with this court case, I will let you know in the description and hopefully the pinned comment, as long as it doesn't get erased. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video.